Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Today we shall show you a very simple solution to a very common problem: how to fix a weak or no signal message on your Samsung TV screen. Basically, the weak or no signal message appears when the TV is not getting a signal from the aerial or attached device. The most common reason that people see this on-screen message is that the TV is set to the wrong source input for your device. This can happen if the power to the TV has been disconnected and the TV resets itself to the aerial input. To fix this issue, simply press the source button on your remote control and select the correct input for your device. In this example, we select HDMI 1 and our FreeSat set-top box is available. If you do not know which input to use, simply cycle through the available options until you locate the correct input. The second reason that you may see the weak or no signal message is that your device you are trying to watch is switched off. So make sure the device is turned on. The third reason for a weak or no signal message is that your TV aerial is not connected to your TV. So to fix this, check the aerial input cable is connected to your TV.
Hello. I hope you are having a wonderful day. This video will show you how to program your Sky HD remote control to control your TV, from turning on and off the TV, to changing the TV volume, and selecting an input on the TV. This means you can use the Sky remote control instead of the TV remote control. The Sky HD remote control needs to be programmed for your particular brand of TV. And to do this you need to input a particular 4-digit code into the remote control. You can use a brand code or a specific code for the make and model for your TV. This 4-digit code can be found on the Sky Help webpage, for which there is a link in the description below. To start the programming process, on the Sky HD remote control press TV. Then press and hold the select and red button. The red light at the top of the remote control should flash twice. Press TV again and input your 4-digit code. I shall input code 0060, the brand code for Samsung TVs. The red light should flash twice to say it recognized the code. Now we press the TV button, then the off button. If the TV does not turn off, then press TV and off again. Repeat until the TV turns off. When the TV turns off, press the select button, and the red light will flash twice. Press TV and on, and the TV should switch on. You can now use the volume controls on the Sky HD remote control to change the volume levels on the TV. You can also use the help button on the Sky HD remote control to cycle through the inputs on the TV.
Hello and welcome, hope you're having a wonderful day. When you order goods or equipment from a retailer, sometimes you may end up with unwanted shipping labels on the packaging. These can be easily removed, and all you need is a hairdryer. You turn on the hairdryer and move across the label you want to be removed. It will slowly heat up the adhesive between the label and the packaging. When you see the label start to brown, then you should be able to peel off the shipping label with ease. It leaves almost no markings and very little residue. Of course, you've got to remember to remove the contents from the packaging first, as you don't want to melt them. Hello and welcome, hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are outside the UK and want to add ITVX streaming service to your Fire TV device, you may find that it is not available in the App Store. But there is a workaround to manually add the ITVX app. First, we need to add the Downloader app to your Fire TV device. This app allows us to add other apps that are not available in the App Store. We go to search and start to type in the word Downloader. You will see that it appears in the search results, so go down and click on it to download and install it. Allow Downloader to access files on your device. Now we have installed Downloader, we need to change a setting on the device to allow Downloader to work correctly. Press Home and go to Settings and My Fire TV. We need to go to Developer Options, but this may be hidden. If so, click About. Then click 7 times on the name of your device. You will see at the bottom a countdown to becoming a developer. Once you are a developer, go back one screen and the Developer Options menu should be available to you. Go down to Developer Options and down to Install Unknown Apps. On the Downloader icon, click to turn the option on. Return to Home and open up Downloader. Type in the code on the screen, which will take you to our download page. And the ITVX app should automatically download to your device. Install the app. And when installed, delete the download file. You can now go to your apps and locate and open the newly installed ITVX app. Accept the terms and conditions and input a UK postcode. The app will load and take you to the main menu. Select a program to view. If you are using the ITVX app for the first time, you'll need to pair the device to your ITV account. You'll need to open up a web browser on a PC, tablet or phone and go to itv.com/pair. You need to log into your ITV account. If you don't have an ITV account, it is simple to create one, just follow the on-screen instructions. Input the code that is on your TV screen and your Fire TV device will access the ITVX content. Obviously, if you're outside the UK, then the content will not play, as it will be geo-restricted to the UK only. But running a VPN on your Firestick or on your router, or a smart DNS service on the Firestick, then the content can be accessed. The link on the screen now will show you how to add a smart DNS service to your Firestick so you can access the UK only content from outside the UK. Hello and welcome, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we'll show you how to set up your Mag TV box. You should have with you in the box a remote control, HDMI cable, 2 AAA batteries, a power cable, the Mag box, and you'll probably need an Ethernet cable. First we need to connect the Mag box to the TV, which we will do with the supplied HDMI cable, connecting it to the HDMI ports on the box and the TV. We make sure that the TV is set to the correct input source for the Mag box. We then connect the power cable to the Mag box, which will then start to boot up, and you will see the Infomia logo on the screen. We then press OK to clear the privacy policy and enter into the inner portal of the Mag box. We navigate to Settings and press OK. And then navigate to System Settings and press OK again. Now we can connect your box to the internet. If your box is close to your router, we can use the Ethernet cable. Or we connect via your Wi-Fi network instead. You locate your Wi-Fi network on the list of networks available, and using the keyboard button on your remote control, input your Wi-Fi network's password. We can check to make sure the box is connected to the internet by going into network info and seeing if the link status is up. If link status is down, chances are you've typed the password in incorrectly. We return to the system setting page and navigate to the general option in servers where we input the time service URL. We go back to the server screen and go into portals. In the second field, Portal 1 URL, you type in the URL for the service that you've subscribed to. We return to System Settings and go into Advanced Settings option. We disable the HDMI CEC option, as sometimes this causes problems between the Magbox and the TV talking to each other when you don't want them to talk to each other. In the system settings, we then go to software update and update the software in the Magbox to the latest version. Your Magbox will reboot once it has updated, and your TV service should be available to you now. There is a second option that I like to turn off that again stops the box from talking to the TV at the wrong time. Go to Settings and down to Video. Set HDMI event reaction to ignore. And then exit the menu and you can start to use your TV service. Please place a like if you found the information in this video useful, and hit that subscribe button to be notified of future video releases and to help the channel grow. Thank you.